Why am I getting a 403 forbidden web server error? Imagine trying to visit your favorite website and suddenly seeing a message that says you are not allowed to access it. That's what a 403 forbidden error looks like. It can be confusing and frustrating, but there are clear reasons behind it. When you see this error, it means the server understands your request but refuses to let you see the content. This is different from a server being down or unreachable. It's a permission issue. One common cause is incorrect file or folder permissions on the server. Web servers relying on permission settings to decide who can view or modify files. If these permissions are too strict, like not allowing anyone but the owner to read the files, the server will block your access. This often happens when permissions are set improperly on the server's file system. Another reason is a misconfigured or damaged htaccess file. This file controls access rules for directories on Apache servers. If it has errors or contains rules that deny access to everyone or specific IP addresses, it will trigger a 403 error. Sometimes, malware or manual edits can corrupt this file, causing access issues. Missing default index pages can also cause this error. Web servers look for files like index.html or index.php to load a website's homepage. If these files are missing and directory listing is turned off for security reasons, the server won't show anything and instead responds with a 403 forbidden message. IP address blocking or geo restrictions are other environmental reasons. Servers can be set to block certain IP addresses or restrict access based on geographic location. This is often used to prevent malicious traffic but can accidentally block legitimate visitors. Authentication problems can lead to a 403 error too. If you are logged in but do not have the right permissions, such as trying to access an admin page without admin rights, the server will deny access. And like a 401 error, which means you are not logged in, a 403 means you are logged in but not authorized. Firewall rules and access control lists are also factors. Network security settings at the server or network level can restrict access to certain resources. If your request doesn't meet these rules, the server will block it with a 403 error. Security software conflicts, such as plugins or content delivery networks, can also cause this error. Sometimes, security tools or malware infections change access rules or block certain requests, resulting in a 403 forbidden message. To troubleshoot and fix this error, start by checking the permissions of your files and folders. Make sure the web server user has read and execute permissions where needed. Next, review the htaccess file for any deny rules or syntax errors. Temporarily renames it to see if it's the cause. Confirm that your default index page exists in the directory. If it's missing, add or restore it. Review your server's IP blocking or geo restriction settings to ensure your IP isn't blocked. Check your user permissions and make sure you are logged in with the right credentials if authentication is involved. Scan your website for malware or plugin conflicts that could be altering access rules. Finally, enable logging and monitor server logs for detailed information on why access was denied. By systematically going through these steps, you can identify what's causing the 403 forbidden error and fix it. Understanding permission errors and environmental factors helps you become more confident in troubleshooting web server issues.